I want to start with a question. When someone actually goes through something horrible, like an acid attack survivor, that mark actually becomes a part of their identity, right? Nobody tells them, "Arey, bhool jao na." So why do people tell us to just forget the emotional trauma? Because really, is it actually that easy? Welcome back, guys. I'm Mishika, and today I'm talking to you about a real chain of thoughts that I had recently. Because trauma isn't just a big, scary word. Trauma is what happens to your brain on a regular Tuesday afternoon when you're just trying to text a guy. Listen to how my mind worked the other day. So I'm talking to this guy digitally, like socially, okay? He's super kind. Everything is going fine. But he's extremely slim. And I'm chubby. Chubby. And before we've even met him, my brain goes into overdrive. How are we even going to look together? फ्रेम नहीं बैठ रहा दिमाग में. थोड़ा सा confusion है वहाँ पे. Now, why did my brain go there? Because of trauma. Back when I was married, my ex husband used to look at couples and say disgusting things like, I can't figure out कि इन दोनों में से actually ज़्यादा मोटा कौन है. He did it with another couple in my family too. And when I looked at his first cousin and her husband, both slim, both are living in the US, she could wear whatever she wanted. It was cool. But for me, staying in India, living with his parents, following every single rule that was there, that was not there also, wearing what I wanted in my own space was treated like a crime. When I asked why I was treated like a second class citizen in my own home, while they were getting treatment like royalty, do you know what they told me? कि भाई उसका तो तू टॉपिक ही मत ले, वो तो सब्जेक्ट ही अलग है. खुद को तो तू उनके साथ कंपेयर ही मत कर, वो अलग ही है. उनका उनका अलग ही है सिस्टम उनका. तू उन पे ध्यान ही मत दे, छोड़ दे उनको. सीरियसली, what the hell does that even mean? Where are we heading as a society? What are we doing to women who choose to stay, who choose to bloody follow the rules, and still they are treated like they're lesser? And here's what trauma does to you. Years later, I'm just talking to a normal guy online, and my brain drags me straight back to my ex husband's judgments. My body, all of my insecurities, body shaming. He absolutely used to do that. And the feeling of never being good enough. We think we're over things until a simple situation triggers a 10-step spiral. If you've ever caught yourself overthinking a good thing because an old wound started itching, I see you. You are not crazy. You're just carrying scars that people told you to just forget. भूल जाओ ना. होता है. I have one question for you. What is that one stupid thing an ex or a family member said about your looks or choices that still rent free lives in your head today? Let's unload in the comments. This is your safe space. No judgment, just healing.